The Forest Master FM6DD wood chipper combines a compact footprint with a surprisingly strong 6-horsepower petrol engine, making it well-suited to serious garden tidy-ups without dominating your storage space. Its self-feeding direct-drive system pulls branches through without constant pushing and avoids the belt and chain adjustments that many rival machines need. The chipper comfortably handles branches up to roughly 2 inches in diameter, so it copes well with typical pruning waste and small windfall limbs. A rotatable hopper and discharge chute help prevent clogging, especially with damp or leafy material, and let you direct the chips exactly where you want them. Twin reversible blades effectively double their working life, cutting cleanly while keeping maintenance largely to simple blade flips and routine oil checks. Despite its solid power and metal construction, the machine remains light enough to move around the garden easily, so you can chip close to the work rather than dragging branches long distances.